Okay, so today I'm gonna explain to you why it's way better to have a YouTube channel rather than an Instagram account nowadays. And I'm not telling you to don't have Instagram. I'm telling you to stop wasting your time trying to learn all the features they are implementing every single day, and also the famous algorithm which keeps changing. I'm sorry you're wasting so much time trying to grow, and it's almost impossible. So today I'm going to explain you every single reason why you should have a YouTube channel for your photography business, for your photography career, filmmaking career, whatever you do, YouTube is going to help you with that. So I have some notes here because obviously I'm going to forget otherwise. I don't use a teleprompter or anything like that. So here are my notes, but I'm going to be straight to the point. Instagram is very good to get photography clients or any clients of any kind, and you must have it because unfortunately it's out there and it's very important to have it. But there is so many ways you can optimize Instagram for your own benefit without having to waste your time. I do have a video where I share ideas for photographers to share on Instagram to book more clients. Instagram is a great tool for that. But you shouldn't waste all your time on that and not having a YouTube channel, because I'm gonna start telling you why YouTube is gonna help you grow way more as a business or as an individual. So the first thing will be mostly that it's easier to grow. Why? So YouTube is owned by Google. Google is a search engine. So basically, every time someone searches for something on YouTube or on Google, if you are doing searchable content on YouTube, your videos gonna pop out. And it doesn't matter how big is your audience. Me as a small channel, who I grew with was doing searchable content in the photography industry, and you guys keep finding my videos. And it doesn't matter how small or big the channel is, YouTube gives opportunity to everyone. And if you have searchable content and very optimized, and someone is looking for that, your video is gonna appear even if you have 5 followers. And this is very good because tell me on Instagram how many new accounts you discover per day. I don't think you discover too many. I follow the same people all the time and I just see their post. So YouTube is gonna help you way more to grow. And there are so many videos out there. I used YouTube to learn everything about YouTube and SKILLSHARE. I always talk about SKILLSHARE. I'm gonna put a link below for a free trial. But with SKILLSHARE and YouTube is how I've learned to create my YouTube channel, to record, to keep improving, and tactics to be able to grow it. So maybe slower or quicker, but you're gonna be able to do it. And you don't need to be an expert on whatever you do. You can just maybe do behind the scenes if you are a photographer or filmmaker. You can do things which is gonna help you to find clients as well. So for growth is way better YouTube. The next massive benefit would be the exposure YouTube gives you. I don't know if you know a lot about YouTube algorithm. I know because obviously I have to know. But how YouTube works is if you are searching content on YouTube, for example, maybe you are into photography, okay? And suddenly you're gonna buy a car and you start checking videos for cars, for the car you want. What YouTube algorithm is gonna show you in your homepage is more videos about the cars you are searching for. And many times, if you are subscribed to some creators, those videos don't gonna pop out because they're gonna be buried by those cars videos of new creators you don't even know. That's why every YouTuber tells you, click the bell button to be notified about my videos. And it seems annoying, but guys, if you don't do it, you miss out videos. So make sure you click the bell on my channel as well to be notified, because if suddenly you are checking for something else, my video is not gonna pop out to you anymore. But guess what? In a way, it's good for creators as well. I mean, it's bad because subscribers cannot see my videos if they are searching for other content and they forget about me. And we don't want that. But on the other hand, it's good for discoverability because this means if someone is checking for cars, a very small creator may pop out and you're gonna be able to subscribe if you like the channel. So YouTube really gives opportunities to everyone with its algorithm, for good and for bad. It has the positives and negatives, but it's gonna be very good as well to find clients. It happened to me. So many clients found me through my YouTube channel, and by the time you're watching this, I'm not a very big channel yet. And guys, it doesn't matter how big you are. If a client can find you on YouTube and then book you, this is great. So regardless of your audience, YouTube is gonna benefit you a lot. And the next thing, obviously, everyone wants to know about this, you can make more money on YouTube. Tell me on Instagram how much money you can make. I mean, I have like 5,600 or whatever followers. I gave up on Instagram time ago, guys. I don't make money on Instagram. I never did. I use it for fun, to connect with you, because I really like to connect with you and show you bits about my life over there, maybe announce you when I have, I don't know, a giveaway on my private community, or I tell you about my videos. It's a way to connect with you. And I love it, and I use it every day for that, and also to put some of my pictures. But I don't stress at all about growing on Instagram, because to grow on Instagram is very hard, and to make money, you need brand deals, and you need to have a big following. I think it's more likely to have brand deals on YouTube with a small following than on Instagram with a small following. And also, obviously, YouTube ads. With YouTube ads, I know they are tremendously annoying. I try to don't put too many. I put one at the beginning because it didn't bother me time ago when I didn't have YouTube Premium, because now I have YouTube Premium because I'm an addict on YouTube. So it's well worth it. But with Google Ads, you can make money. It's not a lot, it depends on your niche. It changes a lot depending on your niche, but at least you make something. That's a good start. Then you can get brand deals, you can do affiliate marketing, you can do your own products, like I sell my Lightroom presets, for example. I have my private community where I have my current members. Thank you so much, by the way, for everyone who is there. So there are many ways to monetize the YouTube channel, not just Google Ads. Tell me about Instagram. I know they are doing a lot of changes right now, but so many to keep up with. I'm very sorry, but I'm a bit fed up. I mean, I'm super fed up. And if you are a photographer, I dare to say you are as well. So don't stress about Instagram. Use it in a very clever way to get clients, to post pictures, and it's good to have it. It's good to have it. But don't be hours and hours studying new features, because I think it's such a valuable time, the one you have, to be able to spend it on YouTube or learning more about photography or other things. So, as you can tell, I prefer YouTube than Instagram, even if I have both, and I enjoy Instagram a lot still, I have to say. And then the other point as well is the way your audience engages with you. I love engaging with you. Social media is about socializing and connecting with you, not just about giving you content, and you getting everything from me and not connecting, because what's the point? Maybe people do it that way, but I like to connect with you. I reply to every comment. I spend a lot of time with that because I think it's great and it motivates me a lot. So the same happened with clients. When a client is looking for a photographer in London, for example, and they phone me that way, taking YouTube videos. I do have a video with an actress in London, a behind the scenes. She was a client, she allowed me to record the video, and it's such an amazing vlog, so watch it if you didn't yet, because I love it, and I think you're gonna learn a lot from that outdoors photo shoot I had. So through that video, I've got new clients. Why? Because I'm a portrait photographer, so obviously a client, if they see that vlog and they see my personality, they see how I lead the model, or maybe they see that it's fun to shoot with me, they're gonna feel way better to shoot with me than with other photographers they don't even know and they just have a website. Don't you think it's normal? If you want to shoot with a photographer, you would go to a photographer you think you know better. And YouTube allows you to do that. So you can record behind the scenes. You don't have to be a professional photographer, because I'm sure you are thinking that I'm a beginner, Laura, what the hell I'm gonna do on YouTube, what I'm gonna teach. You don't have to necessarily teach, you can entertain. You can do behind the scenes, or maybe beginner trying this lens for the first time. It's a great idea, you know, I would watch that, like people watch that. So it's not just about being professional and teaching. You can record everything you like and you can grow on YouTube with everything you like. It's hard as hell, okay? It's not easy. Then for others, it's been super easy because they hit the algorithm, or maybe the niche is super popular, or maybe they are traveling. Travel blogs, it's crazy how quick they grow. It took me 2 years to reach 10,000 subscribers, which is not bad, it's very good. But then travel bloggers, in 6 months, they get 10,000 as well. So it depends on the niche and consistency. You have to be consistent. If you're consistent, you're gonna be able to grow 100%. But obviously you have to take time to learn YouTube. But it's gonna allow you to have a lot of discoverability and be found by clients, or I don't know, even brand deals, brands who want to work with you. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to, I don't know, you don't need to know everything in the world to have a YouTube channel. But you do need to know about YouTube. That 100%. I was learning a lot in Skillshare and YouTube, like I told you, and I made sure I was doing my best to learn every day, to improve my videos. If you do that, I'm almost 100% sure you're gonna grow. And the time is better invested on YouTube, on learning YouTube and learning how to do video, which by the way is super related to photography, than on Instagram. I invested years ago so much time on Instagram for nothing because it didn't give me anything, just few followers, but that's it. Followers are nothing in the end of the day in a platform where there is no engagement anymore. I don't find too much engagement on Instagram. That's why I love when you guys reply to my stories on comment, because I love that. I like to socialize, guys. Anyway, another thing as well, even if you are still trying to grow your Instagram, I had to tell you as well, I was stuck time ago with my Instagram account. I couldn't earn followers doing anything with hashtags, pictures, doesn't matter what I was doing. I wasn't growing at all, I gave up. And actually, since I have a YouTube channel, I'm growing on subscribers. So having a YouTube channel is gonna help you grow your Instagram account. So feel free, guys, to check my Instagram account as well. I don't care about the followers, okay? I don't care 5,000, 10,000, 20. I don't care about the followers on Instagram. I just care, obviously, about engaging with you and be able to communicate with you in, how do you say, in a daily basis, because it's a way to connect with you quicker rather than on YouTube, because YouTube is one video per week where I share. So I cannot talk to you that much unless you comment on my videos, which you should do because I love replying to all of you. But you know what I mean, Instagram is more direct. So yes, have an Instagram, it's totally okay, but don't waste hours or even money doing Instagram courses or things like that, because it's not worth it unless for photographers. And yeah, I don't know what else. I talk a lot. I don't think, yeah, I think I said everything. And tell me, I would be very happy because I'm always within the niche of photography, but I want to introduce travel vlogs because I want to start traveling. So I really want to do that. Lifestyle vlogs because I love watching other people's vlogs and I love doing them. And also about YouTube. If you want me to help you out, because I did receive emails from you asking me advice about the mic I use and so many little things about my lighting. And then I found out it's like there are people actually interested about the way I set up my lighting, my gear. So maybe I can do videos about that as well. If you are interested about, I don't know, how to make a YouTube channel or things like that, let me know and I can give you the advice I can give you humbly, because it's not like I'm huge yet. Hopefully one day. But yeah, feel free to ask me for video ideas because it helps me and I will be very happy to, yeah, to help you. And if there is enough people wanting that video idea, I'm super happy to do it. Anyway, I think enough for today. Please subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet, like the video because it helps me a lot. Click the bell button to be notified and help with the YouTube algorithm, and I will see you very soon. Ciao, big love.